Welcome, in this video I will show you how to check battery level on Apple Watch Series 11. First, press the side button to open the control center, and here among the other tiles you will see the tile with the battery percentage on it. But if you don't see it here, for example it got removed, let's remove it. You can add it to this list by tapping Edit, then plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and find the battery tile. Tap on it and it will be added to the bottom of the list. You can replace it, rearrange it by moving it along the other tiles, and once you're happy with the result you can just scroll to the bottom of the list and then select done, and now you will be able to easily check your battery level on Apple Watch Series 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.